Talk.
All right, Tint Talk here. Make sure you like and subscribe. So we have the taillight tint, taillight headlight tint. This was one of my, I don't know, maybe like one of my 5th or 6th attempts at this. And if you look closely, it has bubbles in it. It has little creases right here. It's just pretty messed up overall. This one I am going to pull off, take it off, and I'm going to try it again, but I'm going to use this black color over here. So we're going to see how this goes. And yeah, so I suck at headlights, taillight tint, and everything like that. I am just trying to learn. Trust me, I'm not making this video as to be like, whoa, look at this or something like that. This is pure progression. I have an older taillight video that I did, or headlight, whatever. I don't care, whatever. This film, taillight, headlight film. I have an older video also, but you know, it's pretty bad. So I'm just uploading my progression at this so I can keep track of it. It's maybe this is a little bit kind of for myself or whatever like that, but I don't know. If you're looking for like, I'm looking for tips on this, like, so if you're looking for, hey, I'm trying to get better at wrapping lights, this is not the video. All I know is I'm supposed to start, if I'm correct, I'm supposed to start like right here, and I'm supposed to get like a smooth point like right here. That's all I know. And then you're supposed to heat it up and stretch it across. But whenever I try that, it just doesn't seem to work. So we're gonna try it though. I don't know if I'm heating it too much, if I'm not heating it enough, but we're gonna try. So, and you're supposed to pull both sides and stretch it across. Ah, scheiße. So, I do that, right? And then I get these ripples. I guess this is where, see, I don't know. That's kind of where I get stuck, because all the videos I see, they pull it right across and they're good. Then I pull up more, and then see, I'm getting more ripples to the other side. I'm getting ripples over there. I really don't know how to get around these ripples at all. I've watched videos on this, and they just literally pulled. I even watched a video where dude didn't use a heat gun at all. He just pulled the film across the damn light, and I'm like, dude, are you serious right now? Oh, okay, that's how I get rid of the ripple. All right, I might be onto something this time around. I think I'm jammed up down here. So I could be doing, I think I am doing this like the completely wrong way, but kind of, I don't know. I don't know any other. Do I take the card and hit it, or do I? Oh, see, I'm not sure if I just take the card. It's stretched out too much. Oh, I was supposed to take the card in midair and hit it. Gotcha. Okay, actually, I might be onto something here. Okay, I'm trying to figure out this problem. My next problem is to fix this area, I guess. See, I'm creating tension. I don't want to create tension. I guess I can stretch it, maybe. Oh, I'm supposed to take the. See how. Okay, so that part is still not stretching out. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. Hold on a second. Can I push this bubble out? Oh, I need the card. Oh, that one's in there too rough. I gotta fix that one. I might be on. Oh, okay. Too aggressive right there. That would work. That goes down. Can I fix this or no? Yeah, I can. Oh. Okay, I gotta heat that up. This is probably my best attempt so far. Oh, okay. Hold on a second now. I'm actually focused. I'm not gonna say this is gonna be perfect, but oh, see. Oh, I missed the edge. I don't care. I don't care if I miss this edge corner. I can't even get that to lay down because there's so much tension dragging right there. I already know I can't do that. This bottom, I have one baby crease. Man, that's it. I just got like one baby crease that you can barely see. Dude, I might cut this and let me fix this edge because I might cut this. I might have it. Oh, let's go. Okay. All right. Maybe I can fix this baby crease too. I'm feeling myself. Hold on a second. I'm feeling myself right now. Fix it. Let's go. Okay. Okay. How do I? That's a hard. Okay. Bro, are you kidding me? Oh, let's go. I'm really gonna do this. Let me grab my razor. All right, let's try to cut this. I guess I'm supposed to dig into this and just cut along. Just follow the groove. I'm locked in the groove. I am blind cutting. I don't know where I'm cutting. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Oh, ooh, 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 that was paint. Okay, but I'm good. I cut inside the paint. Am I supposed to be using like a razor? I don't know if I'm supposed to be using a razor, bro. Okay. All right, we're gonna see what happens. Okay, so the light ends up here. So I guess I can just trim this. Because the hood, when it's down, you can't see all that. See, I'm off on the cutting. I'm not sure exactly how I'm supposed to be cutting this. And then maybe I could peel it. Ooh, that was a little rough. That was a little rough. That was a little rough. Hold on. We'll fix whatever's left over. Okay, that's rough right there. What? Let's go. Let me lock this in. Hold on, brother. Let's go. What I'm supposed to do? I'm supposed to heat the edges to lock it in, whatever. That's what I seen on the videos. They just heated it up and they pressed it in the seals or something. Yeah, fine, man. Let's go. I promise you, I did not think this video was going to play out like this. And that's my headlight wrapped. I'm going to close this hood just to see how it looks if I got all the angles right. All right, hopefully I didn't leave anything in there. And there we got it. Baba Booey. Tint Talk here. Like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.